Hi and welcome to Cook Till You Drop. Today I'm making sponge fingers. For this recipe you need 4 eggs separated, 120 g of caster sugar, 120 g of plain flour, vanilla sugar or extract and lemon extract. Start by beating your egg whites to soft peaks. Beat your egg whites with a pinch of salt and sugar. Beat for about 3 to 5 minutes until you have soft peaks. If you only have one mixing bowl like me, then start with egg whites. If you want to start with egg yolks, you'll have to make sure your bowl is clean and fat-free. Transfer your egg white into a separate bowl and start mixing your egg yolk until it gets pale and creamy. Add the beaten egg white and flour alternately into your egg yolk and fold it in slowly. Fill it in a piping bag and pipe long fingers, about 7 to 10 cm long. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. There you go, your sponge fingers are ready.